I am Mrs. Suresh Singh. I had problem in my knees, not able to walk, not able to stand properly, and somehow we came to know about Dr. Bhushan Narayani, who is in this BLK hospital. We met him and I was operated by Dr. Bhushan Narayani. The doctor is superb. I can say with conviction he is the best doctor in India. He did my surgery so well. There is no so much pain, and the way, in the sense it was done, it was amazing. I'm 100% satisfied with his work, with his services, with his surgery, and his entire team is also so motivated. They all are so regular, so in the sense conscious, and they come in time and keep on watching, keep on seeing. That's why I couldn't face even a single problem. And all the people, whether it's in the sense, nurse department or housekeeping, they all in the sense take care of me so well. So thank you very much, and I can wish for in the sense everyone, those who helped me in this, all the very well, and best of luck to everyone.